How to create Google account on new phone. Let's start. First, connect your phone to internet. Then open Play Store. Tap on sign in. Tap on create account. Tap on for my personal use. Enter your name. Press next. Select your date of birth. Select gender. Press next. Create unique username. Press next. If the username is taken, so you have to have a unique username combined with a number, alphabets, and everything. Okay, then create strong password. Then press next. Add your phone number for account recovery. Then press next. I agree. Then press accept. Your Google account has been created successfully. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.